today we're going to be making some map markers out of Skyrim. So I printed off a few here and then we'll be cutting them out of wood and painting them, and then they can be hung on the wall as a cool display piece. So I printed these map markers out from Google. The Giants Camp one printed out really pixelated. It doesn't matter, I'll just cut it out smooth. The first step is to cut out these shapes, and then I'll be transferring them onto this plywood. This is about 15 millimeters thick, and then I'll cut that out and paint it black. So I wanted to create a little bit of depth. So the white areas I'll be cutting out separately on this 7 millimeter plywood, and I'll be painting them white and sticking them onto the black pieces. That's pretty much it. Once they're together, they can be hung on the wall. It's going to be a really simple project, I think, but it's going to create some really cool looking pieces. Okay, so I've got all of the pieces cut out now. I've done the back pieces with the thicker plywood and the front raised pieces in the 7mm plywood. This back piece will be painted black, and then the front raised pieces will be painted white. So I've got some black spray paint here. I don't think there's much left, so I might just have to paint it by hand. And then I've got some white spray paint. Once the paint's dry, I'll glue all the pieces down and coat it all with some clear coat. Okay, so I've got all of my pieces now. They're all cut out, they're almost dry. Now it's just a matter of gluing the white pieces onto the black pieces like that. Alright guys, thanks for watching that episode. I've just hung the Skyrim markers up here. I was going to put them upstairs, but the wife didn't like that idea. But I think they look good here anyway. Simple project. I'm sure you can do it if you want to. So thanks for watching.